Welcome to Forums at Work, the #1 behavior change platform. We're excited to guide you through the essentials of navigating our platform and making the most out of your peer learning experience. Getting started is easy. Simply download the Forums at Work app from your app store or access it on your computer by visiting app.forumsatwork.com. Once logged in, head to the top right corner and click on the Forum Experience button to access all your forum-related activities. In the Forum Experience section, you'll find your weekly pre-work, thoughtfully designed to suit all learning styles. Whether it's engaging videos, insightful story sessions, or convenient audio formats, we've got something for everyone. As you complete each section, simply hit Next to seamlessly move through your preparation. When it's time to join your forum session, it couldn't be simpler. Just click the Join Forum button. If you're attending virtually, you'll be connected immediately. If you are attending in person, click Join Offline to log your attendance and stay on track. After your forum wraps up, it's time to take action. You'll receive daily action steps designed to help you apply the insights gained from your forum discussions and continue your personal and professional growth. These steps will keep you engaged throughout the week until your next forum session. Forum Momentum will track your progress automatically after each session. The forum health takes into account if the pre-work has been done 24 hours before the forum session, if forum members join the forum session early, on time, or late, and if the action steps are being done. A score is attached to these actions and makes up the forum health. This feature gives you a clear view of your progress, your forum's growth, and even your company's performance. It's an incredible tool to keep you motivated and on track. That's it. You're all set to start your journey with Forums at Work. Dive into your lessons, connect with your forum, and get ready to grow.